Once again.
My thing. Well, that was easy. I just drove in. What was everyone else waiting for? Did you see that? Did you see what just happened?
I did see what just happened.
Oh my gosh. I was like, what the fuck?
Fix this.
Yeah, he lives right there. I'm gonna stare at his apartment.
This is a really nice BMW right here.
Yo, yeah, right?
What
I was about to crash.
Heck? You know, if you hit that person's car, I just want you to know, John.
We'll park right in front of this nice BMW. I'll try not to back into it on the way out.
Please don't. That thing looks so
Yeah,
expensive.
it's pretty nice.
I don't have that kind of money.
You
Man.
gonna take a picture of it?
No.
You're not that type of person to take pictures. No, I feel it.
Dude, look at this car.
Yeah, I'll take a picture of this guy. Make him feel good. Look at that car, dude. It's like... It's unlocked, too.
You should stop talking. I've been recording for like 2 minutes.
Oh, really? Oh, dude, I didn't even know that. I was just saying shit.
I see that.
Okay. Hey, dude, you got me. You got me. You got
Marshall
me.
moves we in it, fam.
I just said I'd break into that car. You got me on camera.
Yeah.
Hey, dude, you're good. Are
Oh,
you the
yeah?
feds, bro?
I was
You're
like,
the feds.
I was like, he's gonna start saying stupid stuff. Let me. Boop.
You're the feds, bro.
I'm listening.
Don't snitch, bro.
Did you tell him we out here?
Yeah, I told him he's sliding out.
Hey, yo, we out here.
Yo, we out here.
So Muscle Beach again today, right?
Yeah, I mean,
About it.
we're never gonna get there though. This way, we haven't left fucking west.
Yeah,
We're still
normally-
super far away.
Normally we leave around like 12:01. What time is it?
No, here's the thing. We're gonna get there. I'm just gonna say we're gonna get there at 4:30. Okay, that's a good time to get there.
What time is it now?
It's 3 o'clock, dude.
It does not take us an hour and a half to get there.
It takes us. Okay, so I'm just saying, like.
Did you
worst
in
case
the last
scenario.
video? I have video
Worst
recorded
case
evidence that you
scenario.
said takes 20 minutes, which I don't think it does.
Yeah, you're right. No, from my
But it
house.
doesn't take an hour and
I
a
said
half.
25 minutes to get to South Beach.
Yeah, but it's 3:01 and you said 4:30. It's not gonna take us
I'm
an hour
saying
and a
worst
half.
case scenario. Okay, I haven't stopped for gas once. Okay, that's gonna take about 5 minutes.
Yeah, sure. Uh-huh.
5 minutes. Go.
Unless there's, you know what? No jinxing, God forbid. But unless there's like
There's no traffic.
unless there's really bad
Nah.
traffic, which there's normally isn't, especially around this time.
Yeah.
It's not gonna be
We get
4:30.
there at 4. Boom. That's reasonable.
I'll say 3:45, 3:50.
Then we gotta walk to the beach. It takes about 10 minutes.
I'm counting the time it takes us to like.
Oh, to actually park and.
Yeah.
No,
I'm not counting walking. there.
350. Let's meet in the middle.
If you want to talk about like also like physically being there with our bodies and stuff, then yeah, I'll give you like 4 like 4:20.
Yeah, but you know what?
4:20, please.
Yeah. Because we smoke weed every day.
I do not. I don't smoke weed.
Me either. Oh, well.
Oh my gosh.
I'll put LOL so he doesn't.
Come on,
think-
come out,
so
bro.
he doesn't think I'm like mad. Even though I'm secretly mad. I'm already in LOL. That sounds chill, right? Secretly, I'm actually mad as fuck and angry for this. No, well, it's chill though. You know, he's chill. Well,
yeah?
he says lit. That means he's coming out. In one language, lit means coming out. Damn it, you're not heating up a
does he say?
burrito. Bro, come out. You cholo?
Is he Mexican?
Nah, he's Colombian.
You're racist.
I know, but, you know,
How dare you? What the heck? What the heck?
what?
What are you in? Oh my goodness, dude! Why did you tell me you had this stuff?
This is old shit. I don't have the crossbow anymore.
Oh, I was about to say, dude, look!
I don't have a crossbow.
You got a little.
You know how old that is? It's like 2 years old. I forgot about
These
that.
things are still sharp, though.
They will kill you.
Yeah.
They will fuck you up.
Why did you tell me about these, man?
I don't have the bow anymore.
So what? You can use these. Throw them with your hands.
Yeah, you can throw them with your hands. Yeah, but dude, they're sharp. I don't want to hurt nobody.
What? That's why you practice and learn to be good, so that you don't hurt people.
But
I
like-
throw knives.
Yeah, but I'm not like out in public and shit.
I mean, technically it's out in public because I don't.
It's like not in a crowded place.
Well, I'm not saying throw them in a crowded place. Then, John, don't throw them in a crowded place.
Why are you turning me into a murderer?
Not trying to turn. Do you want these?
I forgot about these. Let me look. I'll give you half of them.
Okay.
Just in case.
That works for me. I don't care. Shoot, I could do something with those, man. You tripping?
There he is. There he is.
Where?
Hey, dude. Hey, dude.
Get in the car.
I have a burrito, dude.
Get in the car.
Dude, I want a burrito also.
Get in the car with your muscles.
I'm gonna throw this at him. Dude, these will fuck you up. These will fuck you up, okay? So next time, bring me a burrito.
How dare you take forever? What's up?
Let's go, bro. Okay, leave me hanging. Let's go.
Hey, Juan, you're on YouTube.
I'm on YouTube.
You're on YouTube.
He put a camera there.
Oh, nice.
No sketchy shit one. No, I'm kidding. You're good.
Yeah, Juan, don't talk about all of your crack deals. And,
No, we were talking about crack things
cocaine.
here, okay?
Thank you for letting me know.
I have a brick on my shit.
Juan's gonna start talking about all of his drug deals and stuff.
Oh, that's cool.
Nah, it's cool. You're
it's cool, bro.
such a bad influence.
I am a great influence.
You're a great influence?
I'm a great influence.
Oh, okay.
Juan knows this.
Finally on the way to Muscle Beach then.
I need to get stopped and get gas.
That's gay. And boring.
Anapane ising so adasa. Yamena to make to akwaaba.
Zagadat.
Yamena to make to akwaaba.
Akwaaba, akwaaba. Oh sister, I know be your brider. Give me one chance, make I be your fighter, provider. Toto for my man, make I be your pasta. Me and Jumuti, make I be your sponsor.
Yamena to make to akwaaba. Anapane ising so adasa. Yamena to make to akwaaba. Yamena to make to
Ulali, Ashiwi.
Yo, so this is a day after I shot all that. The reason why I didn't record anything on the way back leaving Muscle Beach was because my phone was dying, so no videos on that. But I got the videos I wanted. So yeah, right now just this is, like I said, it's the day after. I'm in my onesie, a nice comfy little onesie. That wasn't meant to be. Okay, never mind. Bad things happened though. Car broke down yesterday, so me and Ophir just decided we're gonna put our money together, just get a whole new car because we've had to fix that car like 2-3 times. We decided to put our money together, just get a whole new car. We're not gonna put our money into that car anymore. It's not worth it anymore at this point. But yeah, so Muscle Beach was fun. As you could see, did not that much more shooting. I should have. Actually, I think there's still some more I can get that I need. Well, no, I'm probably gonna leave it with what I have. I also got a new camera to get an extra angle, but that camera's being finicky on me right now, so until I figure out how to work it, we'll just have to stick with what I have, because I did technically get more, but the second little camera, but like I said, yeah, it's being a little weird. So yeah, there's that. For now, these are how my video's gonna be formatted until I can figure everything else out. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Anything else? Let me think. Let's edit this part out. No, I don't think there is.